In this video lesson, you'll be learning how to create a working Kohezion application from an Excel file. Before doing this, you have to make sure that your Excel file is neatly organized into columns and rows. Once you're ready to get started, in the Builder tab, when creating a new application, you're going to want to select the second option, Create an Application from Excel. This starts up the Excel wizard. First, choose your file. Next, your file is uploaded to the Kohezion servers. This data is analyzed and presented to you by columns, each with a suggested data type. At this point, it's really important that you go through each of the columns and double check that each assigned data type is correct. If it's not the case, you can change it in the dropdown. Once you've gone through everything, you can also click on Validate, and Kohezion will check that the data does not contain any errors. Last, we click on Finish to import all your data and create your application. If it's your first application, you'll be presented with these two options. And let's say you want to customize this further. Now you can change up your application in the canvas. For example, let's rearrange the customer and order ID so they appear on the same row. And save the changes. If you want to see the data that was imported, head into the workspace and click on the search that Kohezion has just created with your import. You can repeat this process if you want to create another application with a different Excel file. In the next lesson, we'll be seeing how to import data to an existing application.